Welcome everyone. Without wasting your time, I'm here to save you the effort of watching dozens of YouTube videos on how to create animated videos using the latest available technology. And the best part, my friend, it sits completely free. Now the site we're looking at is called Easemate AI, and this is what it looks like. It's a highly advanced AI platform. Once you sign up, you can immediately start creating any kind of video. At the top, you'll find an option called VO3 Video Generator. Click on that. From here, you can convert text into video. That's the first option. The second option is converting images into videos. And honestly, that's what most of us love. Why? Because you can write your own script using ChatGPT, generate your own images with your preferred style, and bring your story to life. But first, let's test the platform together. Then we'll go step by step and create a full animated story. I just uploaded an image to the site. It now asks me to select the video format, long-form YouTube, short-form content, TikTok or Instagram dimensions. I chose YouTube Shorts. Below, there's a space to write your prompt for the image. I'm just testing it with you for now. One of the best features here is speed. You won't have to wait 5 or 10 minutes for a result. Within just a minute or so, the video will be ready. And honestly, guys, it took just 1 minute. Here's T. The result is genuinely amazing. The video looks clean, high quality, no glitches. Everything works smoothly. The cool thing is that this site uses the latest AI tech, VO3, which lets you create realistic videos, horror-style content, or literally any style you want. If you want to download your video, simply scroll down and click Download. The video will download without any watermark, and it'll be in high resolution, no pixelation or errors. Now let me try a second image. This one has multiple dinosaurs, so it's a bit more complex than the first one. I've added my prompt and click Generate. Let's see what happens. Again, the results are amazing. Honestly, you can create some seriously impressive videos with this tool. And don't forget, the videos come without any watermark at all.
The story follows a group of dinosaurs living in a prehistoric world, filled with lush forests, vast plains, and towering volcanoes. The dinosaurs go about their lives, with some being herbivores peacefully grazing, while others, like the fearsome carnivores, hunt for prey. As the days pass, a series of natural disasters begin to shake the land. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and dramatic climate shifts. Over time, these changes disrupt the ecosystem, and food becomes scarce. In the midst of these challenges, a group of dinosaurs must
In the next video, I'll walk you through how to create a full professional video you can upload to YouTube or TikTok and actually start earning from it using AI tools. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep sharing more. See you in part 2. Peace.